Samantha, and this is my dollhead set. And it comes with accessories, and this is Merida, because I always forget her name, but it's fine. So, we ordered this, and it's for free. And now we can open it. And by the way, I need someone to help me. And my mom is recording. Mom, help. Okay guys, so my mom is just opening it up. And remember, if your dad and mom do fragile things, you can just stay away, make sure not to use it because it's really sharp. And it's so hard. Okay, open. Right, my mom's helping me. Let's get this out. Put it up. Here's Merida. At the end of this video, I'm gonna open this. Right, Mom? And here's her. And it comes with a little lion, but I don't know if this is a lion, but I think so. Just have a tail. And here's her. We named her. What's her name again, Mom?
Lisa.
Yes, it's Lisa. Like this. Let's just put this box down so you can see her. Need something. Okay, Mom, help. Okay, I'm just gonna grab some of the things that came, but I need my mom's help. Right. Mom, get the scissors. This one is kind of metal, so there's the brush. Oop. That was easy. Here's all the hair clips. And she comes with right. I'm just gonna get these. These for her hair. Like it makes them curl. Alright, guys, you can just watch me opening this up. Comes with 3 and oh my god, it's so hard. You need to ask for your parents to help you. So it comes 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, so hard, but so I actually think, but she's still stuck here and it's metal. Bob! Oh, it's this better. Metal. Mom, can you kind of help me out? Ooh, this cake. We ordered some drinks and it's so good. I think this is one of my favorites because they never tasted this one. Oh my god, this is so cute. Ooh. Mommy, what's this for? I think. So guys, here's all the accessories that came out. And I think this is her hair. Oh my gosh, that's so. Big ASMR, little ASMR. I really like ASMR because these are so really beautiful. My mom didn't think that it's that big. Oh my gosh, she looks so beautiful already. I'm gonna start brushing her hair. Here's the hair. Remember to be careful because it's gonna ruin her hair and it's gonna fall over. Just make sure to keep her hair like that, and you can style her hair. And here's some hair tie. These sets have a really good. I don't know how to use this, but my mom can teach me how to, so it can. These come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? I forgot I locked it. And I'm gonna open this now.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Make sure to careful to brush dollhead's hair, guys, because it's kind of gonna fall over, and your dollhead is gonna be bald, no hair, and you cannot actually
Look at her face. Look at her face.
She's so beautiful, and you can add makeup on her, but that's for later because you can see us in another video. So please subscribe and like for us, because I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like in this video. And now we're gonna open this little. Alright guys, goodbye. I'm gonna eat some waffles. Bye guys.